Hello friends, very good morning to one and all. Warm welcome to the new NPTEL online certification course on oil hydraulics and pneumatics. This course, oil hydraulics and pneumatics, also popularly known as fluid power system. My name is Somashekar, course faculty for this subject and a faculty in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, Chennai. I am having 2 decades of teaching experience and taught many UG and PG courses, mainly oil hydraulics and pneumatics, mechatronic system design, robotics, microprocessor in automation, artificial intelligence in manufacturing, instrumentation and control. Our research group currently working on micro machining, fluid power system and robotics. Micro machining group currently working on design and development of sophisticated instrumented experimental setups for generation, characterization and application suitability of microfutures, nano level finish and nanoparticles. Fluid power group also working on design, development and analysis of fluid power components for space applications like electro-hydraulic servo valve, electro-hydrostatic actuator and hydraulic hybrids for automotive applications. Last but not the least, robotic research group uses an advanced artificial intelligence techniques in path planning and control of multi-robot system. Let us will see the preamble of the course. Industry is going to depend more and more on automation in order to increase the productivity and quality. It calls for remote and direct control of many production operations, manufacturing processes, material handling and storage devices with less human intervention in most of the activities. Human beings in the future factory are deskless workers. That is, all the machine tools operate automatically, including material handling and storage devices. Humans can work offline to control these activities using the smartphone, as because we are in the era of Internet of Things. Fluid power is one of the technology available for automation and control. Please note, this fluid power technology is the muscle of the industry used to push, pull, regulate or drive virtually all the machines of the modern industry. For example, fluid power steers and brakes automobiles, launches spacecrafts, harvests crops, mines coal, drives machine tools and material handling devices, control airplanes, processes food, drills teeth and even transport and delivers drugs to the infected areas in the human body efficiently and effectively. In fact, it is almost impossible to find any manufactured product that hasn't been fluid powered in some way at some stages of its production or distribution. Currently, a revolutionary change has taken place in the field of fluid power technology due to the integration of electronics as a control medium for the fluid power components of the system. The fluid power driven machines are now able to generate the more power and higher accuracy in terms of speed, force and position control due to the increased sophistication of the fluid power and allied fields of engineering. Hence, this course is essential in engineering and technology to cope in modern industry to tackle a variety of problems and search for better solution in power transmission and control in forthcoming technology briefly known as smart manufacturing or Industry 4.0. Then question arises, this fluid power technology is a dominant in automation and control. What is the fluid power? Fluid power is the technology that deals with generation, control and transmission of power using the pressurized fluids like incompressible fluids in oil hydraulics and compressed gas like air in pneumatic control system. Quickly, I will give you the brief introduction on fluid power system. The fluid power system basically consists of three main segments. The power input segment, basically it constituting the prime mover and the pump in case of oil hydraulics, while prime mover and compressors in case of pneumatics. Second one is a control segment. Basically, it consists of various valves that control the direction, the pressure and the flow rate. Last but not the least, the power output segment. Basically, it consists of an actuator. It may be a linear actuator or a rotary actuator based on the applications. Let us will see the course outline. The course content is so designed to include most of the syllabus contents of the AICTE sponsored engineering colleges, universities and the current need of the working professionals in industry and R&D institutions. It basically covers all the power input segments, control segments and power output segments. The various topics covered during this course are concise and self-contained with maximum possible pictorial illustrations for easy understanding and clear conceptions. The course content also includes the latest trends in the fluid power technology to keep the student abreast of the ever-changing state of the technology in oil hydraulics and pneumatics. The total 30 lecture hours are required to complete this course successfully. Let us will see the learning objective of this course. Upon completion of this course, the student will able to understand the underlying theoretical concepts, familiar with the construction, operation and functions of the components, know how the components are selected and integrated into the system to do the particular task in industry, understand the operation of basic circuits, basic circuit building skills and also learn troubleshooting skills. Okay friends, I welcome you all for this online NPTEL certification course on oil hydraulics and pneumatics. Until then, bye-bye. Thank you one and all for your kind attention. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. See you all. Bye-bye.